Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to install Chrome in Kali Linux. Okay, so this might work in other distros. I've not tested it out. Okay, so what you want to do is go to your browser, then you just want to type in download Chrome. Then I want you to click on the first link, which is Google Chrome download. Okay, click on that, then it should take you to this page here which says download Chrome here. So just click download Chrome there. So here to give you an option to choose a distro or the distribution of Linux. Okay, so as you can see here, there's Debian/Ubuntu here. Okay, so meaning if you have a Debian based distro or Ubuntu, you can just use the first link. Then if you're running any other distros like Fedora and the other one, you can just select it there. Then once you're happy that you're running the first one, as in my case, so just click on accept and install like that. So what that will do, so you'll see to change the page. So what you see here on the top corner here, it's downloading, as you can see. So since I already have it, I'll just cancel that. So once you have Chrome downloaded, what you want to do is we want to open it in the terminal. So once the file is downloaded, you can just go to your downloads folder, of which I'll show you a shortcut. So you can right click in the downloads folder and click on open in terminal, so that will avoid you going on the terminal and seeding into the downloads. Okay, so now if you do an ls, press enter, you'll see the file we've downloaded. So what the command you want to run is sudo space dp kg -i for install space the full file name. So you can copy this whole file, this whole name here, you can just copy, and we just want to paste it there. Okay, so now we've pasted it there. So now what you want to do is press enter. It will ask you for your password. Once you put in your password like that, press enter, it should start its thing. So it's starting to unpack everything and installing. Okay, so just give it a minute or so. So while it's installing and the installation is done, okay, so now if we open now our apps here, okay, we search for Chrome. As you can see, we have Chrome installed. Okay, it's opening. Welcome to Chrome. It's just opening. Okay, I'll just press OK. Alright, so now as you can see, my Chrome is now open. Okay, let me close my terminal. Yeah, as you can see, the Chrome is open and downloaded. So now you can start using Chrome on your Linux machine. So guys, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to hit notifications, and please leave a comment if this was helpful, so that I know that I've helped you guys. And if you don't mind, you can also comment that you've subscribed on my channel.